Hi everyone, welcome to GNX Office channel. Today we will introduce our new generation screen to you, our GNX GNX Series.
Let's take a look at the back of our display project. Here are the status indicators on the power supply box. We use the top tile Shishang brown cable for this. This cable also comes with a backup singular port. It's also equipped with very stable cabinet locking pins. The brightness of this indoor display series can reach 1000 nits. Its refresh rate can hit 7680 Hz. Like and subscribe to our channel.